Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hoffman Engineering. And welcome to the new studio! Yep, that is right. We have officially moved down to Tampa, and we're mostly unpacked. So I thought that I would make a quick update video to show you all how the new office and studio is coming along. I want to talk about a few of the upcoming projects and basically just fill you in on all that has happened in the last couple of months, because we have been pretty busy. So let's show you all the new office really quick. So first off is this backdrop. You can see that I have the acoustic foam up on the walls. I have it on the walls behind me as well. And this is just going to be general purpose. I'll have a couple of 3D printers. I have my TiVo and DaVinci there for the moment. But those may be swapped out depending on what printers I feel like having in the background. Over on this side, I have this nice little glass shelf that I'll be filling with various projects and things that I would like to show off. So kind of like a rotating exhibit. Things may move in and out throughout videos over there. On this side, I have some more acoustic foam that I need to put up on this wall behind here. But I have my two resin printers and my Prusa there at the moment. I'm not quite sure how I want to set up this area, but this will mostly be my resin workstation here. So things will move around a little bit there. I'll have this awesome table in the center. It's where I'll end up doing most of my work. I love that little center table. It makes it really easy to get to all sides of projects, and it's pretty convenient for filming as well. And then off camera, we'll have just a giant bookshelf full of parts, my soldering stations, a lot of my resin work. Just a lot of storage for various pieces that are, useful for projects. And that's pretty much it. Nothing too fancy for this studio, but it is a little bit more room than I had at the last space. So I'm excited just for more space to work, which inevitably means more space for junk to accumulate, but hopefully, I'll be able to keep it clean. And I think that'll be good for videos. There's more than enough room for me to put up my cameras, put up my lights, and have some pretty good lighting and pretty good audio with those acoustic panels. So I am excited for this. And like I was saying before, it's been a busy last couple of months as we move down to Tampa. So it's not only the move itself, but since we've been there, we've become members of the Tampa Hackerspace, which is a giant makerspace or hackerspace in the Tampa area. They're just under 200 members. There's a lot of people. And a lot of awesome tools and equipment. So I'm excited to do some more videos out there in the Tampa Hackerspace, making use of their laser cutter, their woodworking, their metalworking areas. There's lots of awesome stuff there. So keep on a lookout for cool projects there. We exhibited a booth at the first Tampa Mini Maker Faire. So we had our first Hoffman Engineering booth, which was awesome. We were doing 3D scanning there. So I had my Xbox Kinect and my scanning turntable, scanning attendees for free. And we emailed the files to them afterwards so that they could 3D print it, make custom bobbleheads, do all kinds of crazy stuff with that. So that was a really great show. It was the first time Hoffman Engineering had our own booth. So that was awesome. Met a lot of really cool people, and it was just fun to scan everyone. And we recently passed 17,000 subscribers on this channel. So hello to all of the new people that have found the channel. I hope that you are excited for awesome CAD, awesome 3D printing, awesome maker projects in general, because there's going to be a whole lot more on the way. So yeah, 17,000 subscribers, that's a huge number. I still can't quite wrap my head around that. That's like a, basketball stadium size full of people there. So that's just really awesome. So thank you all for being part of this community, because yeah, none of this would be happening without your guys' awesome support. So thank you all, and I think that's pretty much all I had to do. I just wanted to say welcome to the new studio. I know I am excited for some upcoming projects, and I hope you are as excited to follow them as I am. Oh yeah, one more thing. I'll also be at DragonCon at the end of the month. So if you're at DragonCon and you see a Solaire walking around, or a bug catcher with the animatronic Caterpie, the Butterfree hats, stop and say hi. I would love to see you guys. I'm in the process of fixing up Caterpie at the moment. I'm also in the process of making a Metapod, so that I'll have the Caterpie, Metapod, and Butterfree for the costume. So be on the lookout for some videos related to that. And if you happen to be at DragonCon and see me walking around, say hi. I would love to meet you guys. So hopefully I can see some of you guys at DragonCon. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and if you're in Tampa, reach out to me. Come say hi. Let's do awesome collaborations. Yes, we're in Tampa now. Let's do it. These update videos are surprisingly hard.